Hello, this is Lindsay and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all having a wonderful day and we are almost at the weekend, super happy. So I just wanted to get on here and talk just for a moment about the deep cleaning that I'm doing in my Etsy shop. I have multiple sales going on, anywhere from 10% to 70% off. I have really accumulated a lot of listings in my shop, and while I want to keep the majority of the listings active in my shop, there are some that probably just need to phase out because either they're not my favorite to make, or I don't have many supplies left, or they're not really popular, or I'm just ready to move on and add some new things. So it doesn't necessarily, just because it's on sale doesn't mean I'm getting rid of it, but I am trying to clear out some of my inventory for sure. So if you want to head over to my Etsy shop and check that sale out, that will be going on for the next couple of days. And if you didn't see on my Facebook group, go over there to Nevermore Creations, Junk Journals and Friends, because I shared a picture of some journals, 5x7, which is a B6 size journal. I have already made the covers, and I just love how they came out. They're just really soft and vintage, and they're like light greens and pinks. Anyway, I'm giving them for free to all of you. There's only 6 available, so the first 6 people starting now that make a $30 purchase or higher will get one tucked right into their package. So I just like to give back to you and thank you for supporting my shop, for supporting my family, for supporting what I do, for supporting just the love of paper and paper crafting and junk journaling and all of that. So thank you, all of you. Please let me know in the comments below what your favorite item in my shop is, what you would like to see go, or what you would like to see come into my shop, because I take all of your opinions very seriously and they help mold and shape the future of the shop that we are building together and this channel that we're building together. We are almost to 4,000 subscribers. It is so close I can taste it. I hope all of you can too. I have an incredible giveaway planned for that. If you love junk journaling and you love lace and you like book pages, then you will definitely want to stay tuned for the giveaway video that will happen as soon as we hit 4,000 subscribers. It's not just a little bit of lace, you guys. You are getting an entire bag of lace from Matt's Lace and Trim Matt's Lace and Trim Company in Pennsylvania, and a pound of book pages plus other goodies. So I can't wait to get that all out to you as a thank you, no strings attached giveaway. Just be a subscriber. So help me get there. If you're not subscribed, please click the red subscribe button below so we can hit that 4,000 mark and move ahead with this wonderful giveaway. Have a lovely weekend, my friends. I love each and every one of you, and you enrich my life in more ways than any of you could ever imagine.